Number 6, Bahade. Number 1, that's Bahaw. Number 2, Palientos. Number 21, Cagata. Number 3, Cuarteros. Number 17, Escolano. Number 10, Hamisola. Number 16, Nauzano. Number 8, Oclaret. Number 5, Pamide. Number 18, Salas. 25, Satorinas. Number 12, Tatler. Number 26, Villarosa. Number 4, Wicked Birds. Number 22, Forden. Number 27, Lakap. Number 77, Daganato. And number 14, Pagre. 8 cards for the Cement Ricolitas, Mr. Jude Erwin Saldivar. And introduce the player of the CBIF Mothers. Number 5, Abulad Adrian. Number 22, Abulad Junior. Number 18, Anas. 34, Valanay. Number 7, Carolina. Number 6, Kagape. Number 23, Dibuta. Number 4, Joven Galeno. Number 27, Gonzaga. Number 10, Halena. Number 2, that's Lakaya. 28, Lasaka. 37, Nalasa. Number 1, Pernia. Number 8, Ranet. Number 3, Ranis. Number 17, Saldivar. Number 30, Villascara. Number 13, Peliabar. 24, Licor. Head coach for the CBIF, Darwin Saldivar. Assistant coach for the CBIF is Dominic Dollars. Forward number 8, Oclaret. Also forward number 12, Tatler. And center number 22, Forden. And here it is 25 of your CBIF Mothers. And guard number 4, Galero. And also right guard number 7, Carolina. And forward number 6, Kagape. Also forward number 17, Saldivar. And center number 28, Lasaka. Started by PC Board to the center. This whole game is a game 1 for the best of 3 setters. Baseball game, rebound number 22 for Gary Baseball against the Senate Rico Lucas, number 18, Salas ngayon. Back to 22 for Gary, to Oclaret, Pintes. Rebound itong si Kagape. Going back to number 17, Saldivar. Against number 17, Saldivar. Going back to number 4, Galero. Long pass to Padilla. Against number Padilla. Intercepted by 18, Salas. And that's 18, Salas, just Cuarteros, rebound Kagape, going back to number 17, Saldivar. And that's 17, Saldivar, intercepted by 18, Salas, long pass to Cuarteros, una nakapuntos ang team, Cement Ricolitas. Double goal ngayon, Galero, binigyan ng screen, going back to Saldivar, shot clock 15. Back to Lasaka, hurricane Saldivar! First place count, may kasama ng foul. Foul ito si number 18. That's Salas' first personal foul, first team foul. Score din lang po tayo 2-all. Bonus try for 17 Saldivar. Pumasok. Here comes 18 Salas going back to 3 quarteros. Back to 18 is Salas. 15 on the shot clock. And 3 quarteros going back to 8 Ocaret. 10 on the shot clock. Ocaret says, rebound Lasaka. Back to Calabar. And the shot clock by Pablo. 23. Cartamas. 4 against 3 sa kabante ng Team Rico Liters. Kagabi ngayon, going back to number 4 Galero, shot clock 15. Number 4 Galero, going back to Air, kagabi sa ilalim. Na-effect, na-matras, kagabi. Going back to Enya. Shot clock 5, bato sa number 4 dyan. Going back to 18. Salas! Number 7, kinilig niya ngayon. Regas kinilig, going back to 6. Kagabi ngayon, 18 Salas. Stripping on the line ang tinawag ng revenue. Score 4 against 3 sa kabante ng Team Rico Liters. Shot clock 14, number 4 Galero ngayon. Tingnan po natin, shot clock 10. Kanilinya ngayon. Kanilinya, bumukol sa malayo. Mintes, big rebound, number 22, itong si Fordan. Going back to number 3 quartero, so that's 8. Lamang ng tatlo ang Team Rico Liters. Number 4, itong si Galero, binigyan ng speed. Going back to number 7, shot clock 15. Galero ngayon, lilipat sa ere. Galero, Mintes, rebound, Kagape. Kagape ngayon, sa ilalim. It's a turnover, ball position, Rico Liters ball. Score 6 against 3. Tatlo ang abante ng Team Siman Rico Liters. 7 minutes 10 seconds remaining for the first quarter po tayo. Table, going back to Salas, shot clock 15. Quarteros back to Salas. Tumira sa malayo, a shot. Position at 0 is ball. Here comes number 4, itong si Galero, going back to number 7, Kanilinya. Looking for his teammates, itong si number 7, Kanilinya. Cross pass, nakagawa na naman. Here comes 18, Salas! Here comes number 4, Galero ngayon. Back to Lasaka. Here comes number 4, Galero! Here comes number 18, that's Salas. There's number 3 quarteros. Ball position, stage ball. Substitution, Kanilinya for Villaban. Palihog ka ng gabidyo, ng plus, palihog. Palihog ka ng gabidyo, ng plus, palihog, upang, there is a palihog na, nag-explore mo ang mga piyaw. Huwag ka kanili, palihog. And now number 3 quarteros, going back to number 18, the pride of Kalasita. Itong si Salas, going back to Table. Back to number 3 quarteros ngayon. Lumapit, Lumoto, 2 points, quarteros. Lumubo na limang kalamangan ng team Siman Rico Liters. Number 4 ngayon, itong si Galero. Galero lumapit, Tamanta, Mintes. As a region, ball position, Rico Liters ball. And now this is number 8, Ocaret, going back to number 18, itong si Salas. Tingnan po natin. Here comes 18, Salas, going back to 3 quarteros. Back to Salas, shot clock, 15. 12, Tadler, pumupol sa malayo. Mintes mo. Hindi ba kung sa number 12, Tadler, going back to Fordan. 14. Score 12 against 5. Pito ang abante ng team ng CMF Rico Lites. Pinlabar ngayon. Number 4, itong si Valero. Pascal Marca Uber Pagkaw. Foul itong si number 22, that's for then. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus try for Galero. Hindi pumasok. Rebound ito sa number 8, Oclaret. Going back to number 18, ang Salas ngayon. Kumakararo. Salas! 14! Ibang klase. Itong number 18, ang Salas. Ang maliit na mama, pero liligtad ang grabber. Here comes the now. Number 4, Galero. Going back to number 17, Saldivar. To number 6, Kagape ngayon. Sa ilalim, naipit, may tawag. Foul itong si number 8, Oclaret. First personal foul, 3-team foul. 4 minutes, 56 seconds sa minute. For the first quarter lang doon tayo. Inbound itong si number 6, Kagape. Again, number 3! Pascal is covered by kasama ng foul. Foul itong si number 3, Cuarteros. First personal foul, Cuarteros. Warning for penalty, 7 Rico Lites. Score 14 against 9. Abante na rin ang team CMF Rico Lites. Bonus try for Galero. Pumasok! 14 against 10, apat ang abante ng team Rico Lites. Number 12 ngayon, Tadler. Back to Salas, shot clock 15, Cuarteros. Galero, number 4, ito si Galero. Galero ngayon, going back to number 6, ito si Kagape. Pumelo, Kagape, may tawag. Blocking foul ang ginawag ng referee. Itong si number 18, Salas ang nakatawagan ng foul. Second personal foul, number 18, Salas. Penalty. May dalawang trito itong si number 6 Kagape. Otang bitaw, pumasok. Pangalawang bitaw ni number 6 itong si Kagape. Tingnan po natin. For the last try. Hindi pumasok, rebound. Itong matas na mga ito si number 22 for them. Back to number 18 is Salas ngayon. Back to Cuarteros, to Tadler. Tumukol! Hindi pumasok. Nakalawan, Kagape sa rebound. Back to number 4. Itong si Galero. Pumelo. Lipat! 14 against 15. Isang abate ng team Rico Lites. Cuarteros ngayon, napaikot. Back to number 12, itong si Tadler. Patay sunod, Lites! At kulay na punta sa CBR. Nakatawag yung timeout ng team ng CMF Rico Lites. Score 14 against 13. Isa abate ng team ng CMF Rico Lites. Back to the game to the Canapao Sports Center. This ball game is brought to you by Mark Louis Monogol and the CMF Alumni Association. Champion ang tinawag ng referee. Inbound ngayon ito si Pordan. Going back to number 5 ito si Pamine. Pamini ngayon, foul. Here goes everything Cuarteros going back to Salas. And then Zahir, wait up over there. Lites, put down right foul. Foul, itong si number 23. ni Buta. First personal foul. First team foul. 3 minutes 33 seconds remaining for the first quarter. First try for Cornell. Pumasok. Let's try for number 22. The players of the Crackdown Dolphins, number 22, Cornell for the last try. Hindi pumasok. Rebound. Up the 17 against 13. Apat ang abante ng team Rico Lites sa limar ngayon. Now this team is going back to number 13. Itong si Villaber. Villaber kumukol. Lites. Rebound itong si number 18 Salas. Yan itong Ricardo sa ilalim. Bahaw ngayon. Surrounding at tinawag ng Renati. And down itong si number 13, Villaber, going back to Malate. Back to number 13, itong si Villaber. Villaber ngayon, binigyan ng screen. Pasa sa gilid, number 17, Saldimar. Back to Villaber. Villaber ngayon, tingnan po natin. Ay kaya, check lock dead. Saldimar, hindi pumasok. Ay, good! 17 against 15. Dalawa ang abante ng team Sivat Rico Lites. Shot clock 15, Bahaw ngayon, back to Salas, back to Bahaw. Shot clock 10, Cuarteros to Bahaw, Tumara, Lites. Substitution, number 4, itong si Galero. And kamasabay ka na linya. 4 for number 25, itong si Sator Rinas. Number 13 itong si Villaber. Here comes Villaber ngayon. Binigyan ng screen. Pumungol sa malayo. Mintes! Rebound itong si number 8. Oclaret. Oclaret ngayon. Pumipelo. Rebound! Mintes! Nakanawan! Here comes 18 for Salas ngayon. Napaatras. Salas ngayon. Here comes 18 Salas. Back to number 1 Bahaw. Shot clock 10. Oclaret! Mintes! May tawag. Foul. Itong si number 25, Sator Rinas. Ang nawagan niya. First personal foul. Penalty. First personal foul, number 25, Sator Rinas. Second, Rico Lites with penalty. One minute 35 seconds remaining for the first quarter. First try for Agape, hindi pumasok. Last try for number 6, Agape for the last try. Tingnan po natin. Hindi pumasok. Rebound number 8, Oclaret. Back to number 1, Bahaw. Back to number 3, Cuarteros. Oclaret na naman bumabalo. Oclaret. Cuarteros. Big rebound. Ganado. Back to Villaber. Nakalawan. Villaber. Villaber. Una sa rebound. Ocasial. Eta sa rebound. Mintes. Nakalawan. May tawag. Foul in silver. Substitution Agape for Malanay. Saldimar for Ranes. First personal foul number 17. Saldimar. Single team foul. And foul itong si Salas going back to number 1 itong si Bahaw. Bahaw ngayon. Back to 18. Binigyan ng string. Napaikot. Back to number 1. Bahaw. Shot clock 15. Oclaret. Bumabelo. Oclaret! Mintes! Nagagawa. Big rebound. Number 24. Itong si Balanay ngayon. Balanay. Going back to Libuta. Back to Balanay. He scored. Number 18 says back to Sator Rinas for 2. 39 seconds. 30 seconds. Number 7 Canelinia, shot clock 15. 25 seconds. Canelinia. Canelinia. 15 seconds. Says ngayon. And goes foul. 10 seconds. Satorias. And you realize it. 5 seconds. It's a jump ball, a ball position. CBI balance ball. Nakatawag ng timeout ng team ang CBI balance. 4.1 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Score 20 against 19. 1 point lead. CBI balance. Balik po tayo sa lang ito. For the game 1 for the best of 3 series. May game 2 or umabot na ng game 3 itong laro na ito. Here comes 17. Here comes Villamar back to Salas. Foul. And at the first quarter, we score 20 against 19. Isa ang abante ng team CBI Baron. Ball position is CBI Baron. Ball position is CBI Baron. And foul number 13, Villamar. Going back to number 3, itong si Ranes. Ranes ngayon, going back to number 7, Canelinia. Shot clock 15. Canelinia ngayon, pasa sa gilid. Here comes number 3, Ranes. Shot clock 10. Canelinia. Lucas. Rebound itong si number 8, Oklaret. Back to number 1, itong si Bahaw. Pasa sa gilid. Quantilas ngayon. Sator Williams for 2. 21 against 20. Lamang naman ng Theodore Sierra Rico Witas. Number 13, Villamar ngayon. Going back to Canelinia. Shot clock 10. Back to 13, Villamar. Here comes 13, Villamar. Back to 7. Shot clock 5. Here comes Ranes ngayon. Villamar Witas. Here comes Palanay. Hindi pa rin. Big rebound. Vilputa for 2. 22 against 21. Isang abate ng team of Maroons. Number 1 ngayon, Bahaw. Back to number 3, Quartero sa ilalim. Sator! Hindi pumasok. Ball position, Disibo. 13 on the shot clock. And down, it was in the play by Zamora. Going back to number 18, Salas. Bukiki ang inabot. Salas pa rin. Going back to number 1, itong si Bahaw. Katawan sa katawan ng inabot. Hindi umuga. Here comes Zero. Bahaw pa rin. Back to Salas. Pintas. Nagagawa. Here comes number 3, Ranes ngayon. Back to number 7, Canelinia. Back to 7, Canelinia. Pasa sa gilid. Villamar. Back to 7, Canelinia, shot clock 15. Villamar, long pass to Ranes. Hindi pumasok. Bahaw, so the rebound. Long pass to Salas for 2. 23 against 22. 1 point lead. 7, Rico Witas. Here comes 13, Villamar. May tawag. Foul itong si number 1, that's Bahaw. First personal foul. The exhibition, Quarteros for Tomino. And Paul Balanay going back to Villaber. Shot clock 10. Carolina going back to Villaber. Shot clock 5. Number 3 itong si Ranes. Nakakawa din ang buwan itong si Bahaw ngayon. Here comes number 1 Bahaw. Pasa sa gilid. Pamine. Going back to number 8. Up for 2. 25 against 22. Takbo ang abante ng team sa Rico Litas. Ranes ngayon, shot clock 15. Erlang 3, Ranes going back to Carolina. Bang! Carolina 2! 3 points brought to you by Billboard and Star Wars. Sator Rinas for 2. Erlang 3, it's Ranes. Ranes ngayon, going back to number 13, Villaber. Back to number 3, Ranes. Here comes Ranes. Tapalang inabot. Buong posisyon, stays ball. Saan si Richard Dibuta for Halana. Halana ay for Kagape. Ranes for number 4, Galero. Shot clock 8. 8 on the shot clock. Kagape going back to Halena. Yung best big rebound itong si Kagape. Kagape may tawag. Foul itong si number 25 itong si Sator Rinas. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First way for Kagape. Pumasok. First way for Kagape. Pumasok pa rin. Against Bahaw, back to Pavir, back to Bahaw. Shot clock 15. Everything says, pasa sa gilid, Pamini. Off the head, the best. Salas after the opportunity. 29 against 27. Number 4, itong si Galano, going back to Villaber. Villaber, mga kaibigan, going back to Halena. Lumabas! Nag-agawan, Kagape ngayon. Kagape sa ilalim. Halena, Lumabas. Rebound number 18, itong si Salas. Salas ngayon. Salas! Lumabas! Sa number 2. Rebound number 6, Kagape ngayon. Kagape sa ilalim. Carolina! Pumasok for 2. 31 against 29. Dalawang kabante ng team sa Rico Litas. Against Pamine, back to number 1, itong si Bahaw. Bahaw ngayon. 10 on the shot clock. After shot clock, here comes Kagape for 2. 5 minutes 25 in the second quarter. Number 1 ngayon, Bahaw na paikot, may tawag. Foul ngayon si number 6, Kagape. Carolina for Saldivar. Shot clock receipt 14. 5 minutes 21 sa match remaining for the second quarter. Inbound ito si Pamine, going back to number 1, ito si Bahaw. Shot clock 10. Bahaw ngayon, back to Oklaret. Hindi mo pumasok. Rebound sa number 4, Galero ngayon. Back to L. Kagape for 2. Ang ganda ng laban ngayon. Salas ngayon, may tawag. Foul itong si number 17, Saldivar. Second personal foul. Second team foul. I-score 33 against 31. Dalawa ang kabante ng team na CBI at Maroons. And foul itong si number 25, itong si Sator Rinas. Back to number 8, Oklaret. Oklaret ngayon, napaikot, tumera, Mintes. Rebound, number 4, Galero. Back to number 17, itong si Saldivar ngayon. Ibang klase yung si number 17 Saldivar, back to number 13 Villaver. Back to number 17, shot clock 15 Saldivar sa ilalim. Halena! Halena! 35-31, apat ang abante ng team na CBIF na Rons. Santo Rivas Victos! Kagapel sa rebound. Saldivar, back to 4, Calero, pagkakasa, Villaver, back to 4, Calero, Victos! Nakagawan, nabuhay na Musipal, Santo Sandelay, Saldivar, Victos! Pula sa piling ng Victos. Transition Salas for Quarteros. Saldivar, pagkakasa, may tawag, technical foul itong sinabi ko in Villaver. For Deling, Dige. Technical foul itong sinabi ko in Villaver. For Deling, Dige. Napatawag yung timeout ang team CMM Rico Linas. 6 ang abante ng team CBIF Maroons. 37 against 31. Back to the game to the Canopao Sport Center. 3 minutes 53. Second Jamaica, second quarter. Score 37 against 31. Ano mga banda ng team ng CBIF Maroon. No strike for Oakland. Three minutes 53. There comes everyone. It's foul back to Quarteros. Right number 5, Pagay, shot clock 15. Right to Quarteros to Oakland. Pagay! For 2. Long pass. For 2. 39 against 33. Adam, ang abante ng team ng CBIF Maroon sa Torrenas. Going back to number 8. Itong si Oakland. Katawan sa katawan ang ginaman. May tawag. Foul itong si number 10, Halena. Same submission. Pabini for Dudley. Warning for penalty CBIF Maroon. Quarteros for Salas. Here comes number 8, Oakland. Back to number 12, Tabler, shot clock 10. Tabler, Swears, rebound, Kamape na lang. Kamape going back to 13, Villaver, Toer, Kamape. Ball position, DC ball. Here comes over there, Halena. Halena away back to 17. Saldivar for 2. Number 8 of the red going back to 18, Salas. May tawag, blocking foul, number 6, Kamape. Second personal foul, penalty. Joel Rosales, hindi pumasok. Last drive for 18. Salas, pumasok. Substitution, Saturines, Hoplet, for Villarosa and Cornet. 2 minutes 53. Against you now, number 17, Sallimon ngayon. Back to number 4, itong si Galero. Shot clock, 15. Galero, binigyan ng screen. Munting namagawa. Repansin na, Galero. Jump ball ang tinawag ng referee. Ball position, Rico Litas ball. Against the one that's foul. Pasa sa gilid, itong si number 12, Tagla. Back to Cordan, Talugo, Mentes. Nakagawa rin lang sa number 4, Galero ngayon. Long pass to Kagape. Kagape po yung well, para Tugal. For 2. Ngayon si Dana Salas. Sa ilalim, Villarosa and the there for 2. Here comes number 4, itong si Galero. Galero ngayon, naipit. Hatos at tawag, Dana Salas, may tawag. Foul. Foul, number 17, Saldivar. Third personal foul. Penalty. 43 against 36. Abanta pa rin ang team as CBIF Maroons. Salas, first down, pumasok. Let's try for 18, Salas. Pumasok. Substitution, Villaver for 7, Cadelinia. Score 43-38. Number 7, Cadelinia ngayon. Number 7, Cadelinia. Ball position, Rico Litas ball. One minute 40 seconds remaining. Villarosa, tapa na dinabot. Ball position, stays ball. One minute 35 seconds remaining is Salas. At to Villarosa, Mintos. Yan nagawan, 4 men. Kaya sila, lumabas, foul. Keep ball, no position, stays ball. Shot clock, 14. And down for 10, long pass to Tagler. Shot clock, 10. Salas for the long 2 meters. Rebound number 17, Saldivar. Long pass to Aaron Kagape. Kapataas going back to Cadelinia. Mintes. Long position. Rico Litas ball. 1 minute 5 seconds remaining. 1 minute 5 second quarter. Corner, long pass to 26. Villarosa. Hindi. Rebound Kagape ngayon. Long pass. Saldivar. Mintes. Hala na ngayon. Time out to Cadelinia. Shot clock 15. 45 seconds. Shot clock 10. Hindi pumasok. Salas on the out. Records 18. Salas. Kahaw! For 2. 37. 25 seconds. Kagabi ngayon. Back to Helena. Hindi pumasok. And concede Helena for 2. Last ka scout. May kasama ng foul. Foul itong si number 26, that's Villarosa. First personal foul. 3-team foul. 12.3 seconds remaining. Bonus try for Helena. Ang bola ay napunta sa team 7, Rico Litas. Not counted. Violation not counted. 12.3. We're going to stand it out. 10 seconds. Villarosa Marquez. 5 seconds to go. And the second quarter is score 45 against 42. Tatlo ang abante ng team CBIF Maroon. Back to the game today, Canapao Sport Center. Ang game to March 1, Sabado, alas 6 gihapon. Ang game to. Alright guys, number 4. And they're taking the day. Last Arias. Rebound number 2 quarters now. Alright guys, right now. 22 for down. Desmers. Quarters hindi pa rin. We have time sa presence of Esquibet. Well, Galea. There's a goal. Foul number 22. It's for them. Second personal foul. First team foul. Gallardo, 46 against 42. Apat ang abante ng team CBIF Maroon. Marketing Quartaros back to Tadle. Hernas 26, 7 for 2. 46 against 44. Against 13. Villaver! Nasa Cavitos! For that ngayon. Hernas ang rebound number 4. Gallardo ngayon. Here comes Paul Gallardo. Villaver to Cadelinia. Here comes Villaver. Shot clock, 15. Ball position, Decimo. Substitution. Villarosa for Oakland. Shot clock, 13. Intercepted by 3 Quartaros. Back to 18. Salas! Ronald's 23 ngayon. Tigo na one, back to 8. Last second. Last out of 4. Gallardo! 48 against 44. Apat ang abante ng team ng Maroons. Ball position. 4. CBI's ball. Here goes number 4, Gallardo, going back to Villaver. Back to 4. Really back to the man! Rebound, 23. Tibo Arde. Rebound. Here comes in number 4. Back to the Buda. Ardes. Ball position, stays ball. Shot clock 8. Transition. for number 4, Wicked Birds. Shot clock 8. Shot clock 8. They're going back to number 7, Carolina. Shot clock 5. Oh, the second one was Toros. Handle, second by Carolina. Back to Villaver. Villaver ngayon. Tingnan po natin. Ball position, Rico Lidasmo. Driver 3, Quarteros. Long pass to Tadler. Back to Wicked Birds. Kapalagin out. Ball position, stays ball. Overs 13, Villaver. Back to 4, Galero. Hanggang sa ilalim. Masato for 2. Hanggang Street Quarteros. Going back to 8. Oklaran ngayon. Oklaran. Ayan nga. Hanggang sa Road. Pablo ngayon. Pablo! Wiggins! Wiggins! Hanggang State. Oklaran. Back to Pablo for 2. And sa Reds, Galero. Galero, number 6, binigyan ng screen for Galero. Down the man! Mintas, rebound number 4, Wicked Birds. Quarteros to 8. Out Galero! Mintas, rebound number 12, Tadler. Back to Quarteros. Wicked Birds! Kagalinya for Sandibar. Nasa Apor, Kagapal. Overs here. Double for Galero. Back to Villaver. Villaver sa ilalim. Sandibar for 2. Overs number 4. Galero ngayon. Overs 18. Salas. Salas ngayon. Bumibelo. Back to Oklaran for 2. Overs 17. Sandibar sa ilalim. Position for Baron Snow. And ball number 6, that's Kanape. Benjamin! 3 points, Roger by Louis Monongol. Number 3, Quarteros. Back to Tadler ngayon. Wicked Birds. Napaikot. Hermans Wicked Birds ngayon. Wicked Birds. Wicked Birds. Quarteros for 2. Number 6, Kagape. Back to Nibutan. Saldivar. Hanggang sa rin Saldivar. Total game, 5 minutes 29. Sa Benjamin for the third quarter, may score 61 against 50. Abandaran ng team CBI at Maroons. Umulan ng 3 ngayong gabi. And then now 12 Tadler. Here comes number 12, Tadle. Going back to number 3, itong si Quarteros. Quarteros ngayon, pumasok na loob. Here comes sila. There's up the ball. Tagape. Back to Here comes sila. 18. Salas ngayon. Back to 12, Tadle. Back to 8, Oclaret. May tawag. Foul. Foul itong si number 17. Saldimar. Observation the waiting bird for 25, Sator Rinas. Waiting for the division number 17, Saldimar. First team foul. Here comes now, number 12, itong si Tadle. Back to 3, Quarteros. Here comes Quarteros. Shot clock 5. Quarteros ngayon. Quarteros under 7 by 17. Saldimar ngayon. Saldimar may tawag. There's a ball foul number 25. Itong si Santorinas. Third personal foul. First team foul. Second team foul. It's time for 17, Saldimar pumasok. As hindi pumasok, rebound ng Laret going back to 25. Sator Rinas, may tawag. Foul, itong si number 6, Kagape. Third personal foul. Observation Saldimar for Villas Tina. Again, sa may 3 Quarteros ngayon. Back to 18 na Salas. Again, si 18 na Salas. Back to Sator Talubo. Mintes. Rebound Villas Tina. Back to number 3. Itong si Ranes. Back to Villas Tina. Pasa sa gilid. Villaver, Tuributa, back to Villaver. Ayan sa Villaver. Here comes 18. Salas, umupo pa sa area for 2. 64 against 52. Abanda pa rin ang team ng CBI Mariners. Villaver. Villas Tina! Mintes. Rebound. Composition, Rico Litasmore. And number 8, itong Laret going back to number 3, itong si Quarteros. Quarteros ngayon, napaikot. Quarteros, pinubaba for 2! 64 against 54. 10 ang abante ng team ng Mariners. Villaver! Vitas! And here comes Kagape. Here comes Sator Rinas. Here comes the Rinas. Sator Rinas na lang. Here comes sila. 3 Quarteros. Oclaret ngayon. Oclaret to Tadle. Out to Quarteros! Ang matawag ng pilot ng team ng Sigayan Meron. 64 against 56. Abando na rin ang team ng CBI at Meron. 3 minutes 19 sa kanya winning for the third quarter. Back to the game. Shout out Limuel Galulo, the clear of the packet. Dolphin. There goes 73, that's Ranes. Ranes now control the ball. Back to 30, Villas Tina. Shot clock 15. Villaver, Villas Tina ngayon, 7-5. Kagape, shot clock 10. And there's 73, Ranes. Head to 5. Villas Tina. Villas Tina. 2. From 12, ito si Tadle. Back to 3. Quarteros. Sator. Pastorista. May kasama. Foul. Foul ito si Agape. Warning for graduation number 6, Agape. Graduation Agape for 28, Lasaka. Bonus try for number 25. Itong si Sator Rinas. Tingnan po natin. Pumasok! 67 against 59. Lumapit na naman ang team sa Tripoliters. 13 Villaver. Villaver ngayon going back to 3. Ranas. Binigyan ang screen. Ranas sa ilalim. Back to Helena. Pumapal. May tawag. Foul itong si number 25, Sator Rinas, may pang-apat na foul. And 3-team foul. Dahil dalawang free throw itong si Halina, unang bitaw, hindi pumasok. This whole game is brought to you by Mark Louis Bonogol and the CFM Alumni Association. Let's say Halina, pumasok! Game 73, Cuartaros, back to 18, Salas. Salas now, back to Cuartaros, shot clock 15, pasa sa gilid, Cadle, Mintes, pagkagawan. Sticking on the line, tinawag ng referee, bulay na natira sa team, CNM, Rico Linas. 2 minutes 16 seconds remaining on third quarter. Here comes yung nakagawan, here comes si Oakland, lumabas! Nakagawan, here comes si now. Sa kanal, going back to Villas Gana. Turn over, bola ay pupunta sa team CNM Rico Limas. 2 minutes 3 seconds remaining third quarter. Again, 7-3 Cuartaros now. Back to Sator Mintes. Rebound 30 Villas Gana. Going back to number 3 Ranes. Nagpamadala. Ranes sa ilalim. Malena. Happy Sator by Cuartaros. Long pass. Here comes 8. Up the line. Ang Villa ay nanatili sa team CNM Rico Limas. And foul itong si Sator Rinas. Long pass na number 12 itong si Tadler. Nagay ni Northern Lasaka. Lasaka ngayon. Back to Vidal. Back sa Tadler. Balik ang mga back to Cuartaros. Pinubaka! Mintos! Wala sa Tadler. Mintos pa rin. Wala sila. Helena. Helena sa ilalim. Instead, Helena ngayon. Reverse, reverse, count, Tadler. Back to 25, Sator Rinas. Back to Cuartaros. Salas na naman. May tawag, foul. Foul number 10. Helena, second personal foul. 3-team foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Unang bitaw ni Salas, hindi pumasok. Esrael, pumasok. Substitution, Sator Rinas for one bahaw. Blair Halantoni po ang inyong official announcer ngayong gabi. 1 minute 3 seconds remaining. And there's an MVP now. Number 3, that's Ranes. Ranes ngayon, katawan sa katawan ng ginamit. And that's it now, nakatawan. And that's it now, 18 seconds to best. Yung mga nagpupilitin na sila Saka. And right now, Villas Gara! Villas! No position. Stays ball. And down, itong si number 10, Helena. Long pass to number 13, it's Villaver. Villaver ngayon. Here comes Villaver, shot clock 10. 30 seconds remaining. Game number 3, Ranes. Shot clock 5. And that's it now, 5. That's it. And the 3 Quarteros. Quarteros now. Quarteros. May tawag. Pushing foul. Number 13, Villaver. First personal foul. Penalty. 16.5 seconds remaining. 16.5. First strike, Quarteros, hindi umabot. Last try for number 3, Quarteros for the last try. Hindi pumasok, liwanag yun na. Then there's number 3, Ranes. And to Villas Gara! 10 seconds, 20. Last second, 5 seconds. This is the 4th and the final quarter! And ball number 18, ito si Salas going back to number 1, it's Pau. 11 ang abate ng team CBI at number 12, Tadler. Back to Quarteros. Shot clock 10. Salas ngayon, dumidiskarte, going back to Tadler. Oclaret sa gitna. Pumapol at Rites. Rebound itong si Sandibar. And there's a back. Quarteros! Rebound number 4. Galero, long pass number 23 now, Dibuta. Carolina Lucas! Gagagawin, Dibuta ngayon. Pole position. 1-7. Alright, it's Salas. Salas na may tawag. There's a foul. Foul number 7, Candy Linya. First personal foul. First team foul. Candy Linya for Villaver. And ball number 8, Oclaret. Ball position, Steve's ball. Shot clock, 14. And ball Oclaret back to 18 as Salas. And there's October comes 13. Billion Barron. Guys, 23 now. Quarteros back to 12. Tadler. Here comes Tadler back to Macau. Shot clock 15. Here comes 18. Salas. On position, stay small. Shot clock 10. Ryan Salas short. Rebound number 4, Galero. Long pass. Quarteros. Kagabi ngayon. Number 4, Tadler. Back to Bahao. 3. Quarteros ngayon. Umaararo na pailikot. Quintas. Oklaret. Hindi pa rin Oklaret sa big rebound. Oklaret is a back for 2. 76-62. Hindi pumasok. Rebound number 3 ngayon. Quarteros. Back to 18. Salas for 2. Ibang klase. Talaga itong si number 18 Salas. Ang taas sa gitad. 76-64. So natin sa lugar, back to 4. Daman Galero, back to Yao. Amintas, Tadler's on rebound. Quarteros ngayon. Right sa 3, Quarteros at Amadale. Quarteros short! Ball position, still on. Saldivar for Halena. 7 minutes 34. Saman's winning last quarter. And now number 8, it's Oklaret back to 18. Salas. Black na ginamot. And as we now, Dibuta. Right to Kagape. Ang ganda for 2. Right guys, number 1, it's foul. Back to Quarteros. Right guys, number 1, Pacao. Shot clock 15. Tadler, Mintes. Rebound na Halena ngayon. Intercepted by number 8, Oklaret. And Oklaret. Bumalo, di pumasok. Rebound number 4, Aldo Sigalaro. Here goes 6. And Kagape for 2. Here goes 18. Salas na naman. Salas pumasok for 2. Maasahan talaga itong si number 18 na Salas na scoring machine for the team. Rico Vitas. Bilgaber ngayon. Back to 10. Halena Vitas. Rebound number 3 itong si Quarteros. Here comes 3. Quarteros ngayon. Umaararo. Quarteros for 2. Again, service 6 round. It's Kagape. Back to 4. Galero. 6 minutes 15 sa match winning. 4 Galero, long pass to Bilgaber, shot clock 10. Kagape, Mintes. Rebound number 3, team si Quarteros. Quarteros back to 1, Bahao. Salas for 2. Napatawag ng timeout and team ng CBIF Barron. He scored 80 against 71. Siya maangabante ng team CBIF Barron. At sa looking 5 minutes 58. Last quarter. Sinahaw di pumasok, rebound, nakakawan against the plus by America 17, Saldivar. 17, Saldivar, kamay na mo, the third balls, yes, America 17, Oklanet mo yun, Gumelo, Oklanet for 2. 82-72, balik 10 ang abante. Ermanape, napaka-atras. Back to 17. Saldivar for 2. Brandon Zirao, number 1, it's foul. May tawag. Laking foul ang tinawag ng referee. Number 28. Salas for Barrientos. Shot clock receipt 14. And now number 8, Oklanet. And to number 1, that's Bahaw. And to number 2, Barrientos. Number 12, Tadler. Here comes now, Villarosa. Shot clock 5. May tawag. Foul. Number 28, Lasaka. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 3 team foul. And ball number 26 ngayon, Villarosa, backing up. 17 sa linaw, under sa tumay, Barrientos. And to 12, Tande, Barrientos, first. Rebound number 15, that's Villaver. And there's something like Barrientos. Villarosa, tapos na ginabot. Tande, Vintes. Kagape, long pass na Saldivar. Saldivar ngayon. Ayan sa 17, Saldivar. Double dribble ang tinawag ng referee. 4 minutes 39. Last quarter. As edition, every to Oklanet for Sator Linas. Napatawag ng timeout and team Sivan Rico Linas. Score 84 against 72. Abantabaran ng team CBI at Maruk. 4 minutes 39. Someone's running last. And now number 18, Salas back to number 1, itong si Bahaw. Back to number 2, Barrientos. Sator, Palumo, Vintes. Villarosa ngayon, back to Bahaw. Hanggang sa 1, Bahaw, namatras. Shot clock 10. Villarosa, pamanda, Vintes. Nagkakawan, Villaver. Long pass, Saldivar. Back to 4, Galero, Vintes. Sator Rinas on the rebound. Against 18, Salas for 2. 4 minutes remaining. Number 13, Villaver. And then Saldivar. And Swiss. And right Bahaw. Intercepted. Villaver! Zero, 18, Salas may tawag, foul number 28, Lasaka, third personal foul. As the receive, Barrientos for Quarteros. Three minutes 30, Saman Germany. Unang bitaw, Salas, pumasok. Last try for 18. Salas, pumasok. Against now, 13 Villaver. And 17, Saldivar. Long pass to Kagape. Shot clock 15. Well, the second drive. Now, number 3, Guardanos for 2. 87-78. 13, Villaver ngayon. Against now. Buhay sa team ng 7, Rico Linas. 3 minutes, 2 seconds remaining the last quarter. Here comes 3, Cuarteros, back to Bahaw. Cuarteros ngayon. Here comes Villarosa. 3 seconds. Piracy. There's a journal sama for the Buta. 2 minutes, 51 seconds remaining. Number 4, Galero ngayon. Going back to 13, Villaver. Back to 4, Galero. 15 on the shot clock. 4 long pass to Villaver. Shot clock 10. 4 Galero, Kagape. Turn over. Here guys on the right, it's Bao. Bao now back to 3 Cuarteros. Back to 18 Salas. Shot clock 15. There guys 18 Salas. Back to Bahaw. Here comes now Cuarteros. Cuarteros ngayon lumapit. Dominguez. Rebound to the Buta. Going back to 13 Villaver. Villaver ngayon. Back to 4 Galero. Here comes the Buta. Yes! And on the way, last 2 minutes! Saldivar for 2. We're going to see now Salas. 18 on 17, Saldivar. Saldivar with this. Big rebound, Kagape ngayon. And then 76, Kagape. Back to 4, Galero. And then 4, napaikot. Pinapandawin das. Rebound number 3, Cuarteros. Back to 18, Salas. Back to 1. Bahaw! Papalang inabot. And that's 13, Villaver ngayon. 1 minute, 20 seconds remaining. Here comes number 4, Galero. Galero lumapit. Galero for 2. 91 against 78. 1 minute, 8 seconds remaining. Tingnan po natin, Villarosa. Ventas, nakagawan. Here comes now, 18. Salas na naman. Offensive foul ang tinawag ng referee number 18, Salas. 57.3 seconds remaining. Third personal foul, Salas. And there's now 17. 50 seconds. And there's now on the ball. 45 seconds. 15 on the shot clock. 40 seconds remaining. 10 on the shot clock for Galero for 2. And there's 33. There's now. And Villaver space. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Salas for 2. 15. 13.7. 10 seconds. There's a ball foul number 25. Itong si Sator Arinas. Graduate na number 25 Satorines. 7.8 second. 7.8. 5. And comes 8. Showtime! Hindi pumasok. Yes, CBI